In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a WordPress website using the Divi theme, even if you're a complete beginner. Divi is one of the most powerful and popular WordPress themes in the world, and the best part is that you can build a professional-looking website without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install Divi, use the Divi Builder, import a pre-made layout, and customize it to match your business or personal brand. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is get the Divi theme. Open your browser and go to elegantthemes.com/join. Divi is a premium theme, so you'll need to purchase a license from Elegant Themes. Once you sign up, log into your Elegant Themes account and download the Divi theme file to your computer. Make sure it stays in a zipped format because WordPress requires themes to be uploaded as zip files. Once the download is complete, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. You can usually access this by going to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Log in using your WordPress username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Appearance, then click on Themes. From here, click the Add New button at the top and then click Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file you downloaded earlier, click Install Now, and wait a few seconds for WordPress to install it. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Congratulations, Divi is now installed and active on your website. Next, we're going to create a home page using the Divi Builder. Go to Pages, then click Add New. Name this page Home. Once the page loads, click the big purple button that says Use Divi Builder. A box will pop up with 3 options. Choose the middle option that says Choose a pre-made layout. This is one of the biggest advantages of Divi because it gives you professionally designed layouts that you can customize. In the search bar, type in your business type, like transport, restaurant, portfolio, or any keyword related to your website. Browse through the layouts, pick one you like, and click Use this layout. Divi will now automatically build an entire page for you with text, images, and sections already in place. Now it's time to customize your page. Go to Pages, find your home page, and click Edit with Divi. To change text, simply click directly on any text and start typing your own content, like your business name or services. To change images, hover over an image and click the gear icon, then upload your own photo. You can move sections around by clicking and dragging them up or down to rearrange the layout. Take your time here and customize everything so it matches your brand. When you're done, click the purple circle at the bottom of the screen, then click Save on the far right to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a WordPress website with the Divi theme. From here, you can continue adding more pages, customizing styles, and exploring all the powerful features Divi has to offer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and Divi tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.